nature. I am large family of flowing streams, oceans, soil, forest and animals. Being Nature Conservation Day today, let us see how the Jesus Academy family is taking steps to conserve me.
This is an open letter from you and me together. Tomorrow's in our hands now.
Find the words that matter, say them out loud. I'll make it better somehow.
Looking down from up on the moon is a tiny blue marble. Who'd have thought the ground we stand on
Could be so fragile.
This is a love song to the earth. You're no ordinary world. A diamond in the universe. Heaven's poetry to us. Keep it tight. Keep it tight. Keep it tight. 'Cause it's our world. It's not about possessions, money or religion. How many years it might live.
When the only real question that matters is still a matter of perspective. Looking down from up on the moon, you're a tiny blue marble.
Who'd have thought the ground we stand on
Could be so fragile. This is a love song to the earth. You're no ordinary world.
diamond in the universe. Heaven's poetry to us. Keep it tight. Keep it tight. Keep it tight.
Keep my heart safe.
It's our world.
But bang, 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 bang. Tell my heart is in a crazy mess. It's time for us to do our best. From deep sea straight back to Everest. She understands the stress unless you wanna be motherless. Green heart is the way I dress. Speediness and too much greediness. 6 billion people all want plentiness. Some people think this is harmless. But if we continue, they'll only be emptiness.
No, 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 no. This is a love song to the earth. You're no ordinary world. A diamond in the universe. Heaven's poetry to us. Keep it tight. Keep it tight. Keep it
Special paradise.
It's our world.
It's our world.
'Cause it's our world.
To prevent waste and conserve the natural resources, let us implement the 3 R's: reduce, reuse and recycle.
We should not waste papers. Papers are very important. They are made by cutting a lot of trees. So we should save it by reducing the use of paper. As an example, this is a paper. This paper is printed only in one side and the other side it is not printed. Therefore, a lots of papers are wasted day by day. So we should save the papers by reducing the use of papers.
I don't need this anymore, so I'm throwing it.
Hey, don't know that. Why can't you reuse it?
Reuse this paper, how?
Let me show you. Make a beautiful paper bag.
Okay. First we have to cut like this. We have to cut like this, okay?
Oh my god, it looks so beautiful. I never thought we can do it this. Thank you so much.
I am going to take this tray to recycle and plant a new sapling in it. Already I have planted 2 saplings. Now I am going to plant one more to it. Now it is ready. I have reused this tray and planted a new sapling. Here I have used an old plastic bottle also to plant a new sapling. This is an old plastic bottle. I have recycled it and we have used it in our kitchen.
Wow, that was a useful time watching all the family members taking care of me. Now it's time for each and every one of you to protect the nature as nature will protect you.